And I think you can see my screen now. First thing is you click that 3 vertical dot in the meeting control where you mute, unmute. Okay. More options and choose it full screen so that you can see my screen better. Keep full screen. Okay. Fine. I hope you might have done. All right. So the agenda for today is I'll explain.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, how to do that full screen?
You see that 3 vertical dot in
Yes.
your, yeah, click that,
Yeah,
and you see in the top you see the
full
option
screen.
full screen. Yes.
Okay, but it is still showing me the name of the person who has joined in the right side. Like it's not coming in full.
You can also keep a spotlight, the layout. You click OK after choosing full screen. Okay, see here. I think you can see my more options. Click this, click full
Yes.
screen.
Yes.
Then you can hide. I think that should be okay for you guys.
The right side is occupied with the members who has joined. So
Okay, then what you can do is click the 3 dots again, go to
yeah.
change layout
Okay.
and click spotlight.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah, and
Thank you.
okay, all right. Okay, so I'm going to explain now what is CAD customization with some sample program, and why should you learn how companies can pay more salary. Why should they pay? Okay, and we are telling that they pay 300 to 500% more salary, means 3 to 5 times more salary than CAD design engineers. And why should they pay? How can you justify that they are paying? And our success stories, few success stories. Okay, why more salary? Then some success stories. Then sorry for some spelling mistake. All right. Then whatever questions and answers you have, if you have some questions, you can ask. Also, I'll tell about which language to learn for which CAD customization. Okay, language and API. Um, some advantages, disadvantages we will see. Okay, let's get started. So first, what is CAD customization? What are you going to do if you become CAD customization engineer? This is very similar to software developer. So you become a software developer, programmer, automation engineer, customization engineer. Okay, you call it anything. But what you do day by day is every day. So you will be writing some program in Visual Studio, mostly in Visual Studio. Very rare case they may use some other. So these are all some of the programs which we show for our students. So I'll take maybe one, suppose deleting some features. So this is some program. This program will delete a particular feature programmatically. Okay. So if I run this program, it will delete. I'm running only deleting a blend features. So if there is any fillet, it will delete. So like this, you write some program and you build a DLL. This is for NX and most of the other softwares also. So I'll showing this in NX for now, but in AutoCAD also the procedure is same. Whether you customize AutoCAD or NX or CATIA or SolidWorks or Revit or Inventor, okay, Creo, for everything you have to write program here. That is common. And okay, first let me run, then I'll come to the point. So I have some parts created, I'm not going deep into here what is, because I assume you all already know. Okay, because there is no fillet now, I'll do some fillet. Let's say something here. And some more. All right, some are there. In your real component, you may find hundreds of fillets. What I want is in one click, I want to delete all. I'm meeting. Yeah. Yeah, ask them to join, I'll accept. Already people joined. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm running this program now. See, whatever the DLL created, I'm going to run the DLL. So it will delete all the fillet. All fillets are gone. This is one simple demo. So basically CAD customization is you write some program here that will produce a DLL or EXE in some cases with user interface, without user interface, so many options. But in general, every day your work will be writing something like this. So what is happening here? Loop through all the future. In the work part, get all the future one by one. If that name or type contains blend, if it is a blend, then it will delete blend. Suppose I want to delete whole, then I can I'm going to modify this program to delete whole. I just did undo now. So let me make some whole. How easy it is, I'm going to explain. So let's say I have some holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but that is the face selected. Okay, I have to hole diameter. I'll make it 0.2 small. Depth is 0.3. All right. I think this is the face. Somewhere, let me put some more hole. Okay. This center, this center. Okay, first one at a time. Say this diameter, I'll make it 0.6. All right, some holes are there. So if I have fillet, we have seen it's deleting that fillet. So I'm running that old program. So it's just deleting the fillet. But I want to delete the whole. So this existing program I'm going to modify. Once you know what is the basics of this programming, then you know how this is working. Just I'm going to do here whole. That's all. So now I'm expecting all the holes supposed to be deleted. Gone. Hole also and fillet also. Why? It's supposed to delete only hole. Wait. I need to undo for the holes. I think some update is happening late. That's why we are okay. Control U, delete. So it deletes only that hole, not the fillet. So like that you can modify it. So what you can do in practical, this is very simple one. But during the training you will come to know. In case of very complex part, I want to know how many fillets are with radius less than 1 or radius less than 0.5 or radius exactly 0.32 or more than 0.32, less than 0.32. Those fillets I want to delete or suppress or change the color, highlight it so that I can take some decision on that. Similarly, I have so many bodies. I want to know, is there any particular piece with weight less than 1 kg or less than 100 gram? So programmatically, you can write and read and modify. If it is less than 100 gram, just highlight it or delete that or show in which feature it is. Something like that you can do. And no need to, you can prepare your commands here. You can create your own tab and you can link. And if you execute, it will do that all one by one. For example, what this will command will do, get full path of the current. Okay. Create cylinder and sphere. Create sketch. So I'll go to maybe next batch. See, automatically export IGS and step. Design a table. So let me run one or two. I'm not going to show the program, but at least I'll tell what it will do. Let's say design table. So it's creating your interface. So I'll click length of the table 700, width is maybe 300, height is 200. Sorry, this button is not doing something. First time actually, no, this NX will take some time, but once you executed few program, then it will be very fast. In case if you are not speaking, please mute yourself. If you have questions, you can stop and you can interrupt, no problem. I think oh, sorry, it created already. I'm sorry, it is our Zoom level was different. Okay, so it created one table according to your input. Now I'll create one more. We'll delete this. Design table. So some new value, say 1200 4 feet by 700 or 450 1.5 feet, and the height is 750. So it's creating. Now I just change this to 600 by 600 by 450. So it's creating with respect to that origin, but you can modify, you can change the program. So what is happening here? What you normally do, you create a sketch, you apply constraints, dimensions, extrude, revolve, hole, fillet, this all you can automate. It created sketch, it applied dimensions. Just for example, we added only 2 dimensions. Okay, how to give length dimension, how to give the offset distance from the circle. Okay, and other dimensions we did not, because this is just a class. Okay, so when I show how to do dimension between 2 points, all other points you can learn and you can practice. You guys will be able to do. That is what this is, real class examples. So maybe one horizontal dimension, one vertical dimensions, and it also created with expressions. A lot of expressions are there. This is using system expressions, but if you want to give name to the expressions, you can do so. Okay, so now let me show maybe something else. You might have already seen automatic exporting of two-step file, IGS file. Okay, I'll just show unsuppress all the features, suppress all the holes. Okay, there are a lot of things that we will teach you. All
Hello.
right. Yes,
Hello.
please. Yes.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Sir, one of my friend is trying to join in this meeting. So can you
Okay.
please allow him to join?
Yeah, yeah. Please ask him to
Yeah.
join.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for interrupting. Okay. All right. um, and these are all something, assignments what we give for part model. You have to write a program that will tell how many under constraint sketches you have in the part. You may have a lot of sketches. Okay, I hired some freshers, or less experienced people. I asked them to do some design. They did. But how do I know they did fully constrained sketch, or how many under constrained, over constrained sketches are there? Or how many places they used fixed constraint? I want to know. I want to do QC. So you can write a program that will tell exactly how many under constraint, over constraint, or how many sketches with fixed constraints, or more than one fixed constraints, something like that. Okay. So that all you can do. This is all real industry experiment. Uh, uh, Industry needed. Okay. Hide all the sketches, curves, datum planes, and datum axis. Sometimes you will see a lot of mess. A lot of datum plane sketches. Lot of things will be visible. Curves. In one click, you can hide everything other than your solid body. In another click, you can unhide everything. You already have the options, but you have to check one by one. But instead, you can do so. You can also move according to some logic. If all these extrude, you move to particular layer, give particular color, or if it is sketches, you move to particular color. So you can decide now which logic. Okay, all solid body in this layer, sheet body in this layer, sketches, curves, and all in this layer. You can decide now, and in another half an hour, for 100 files or 1000 files or 10,000 files, you can modify, apply that settings. So you may have a lot of part files in a folder. Okay, once you write that program, apply, it will open one by one. It will do changes, layers, colors, attributes, whatever you want. So that is CAD automation and customization. Customization is you are creating your own custom buttons, tools, and your own user interface. Okay, I'll close this. For example, sorry. Okay, suppose if I click auto export, I need to have one empty file. So it is showing this form. So user, custom user interface. So you can customize how the input box should be. What color the background, what should be name of this. Okay, this all you can modify. I want to say gear design. And this is in one group. Okay, some pitch. This is for maybe driven. Or next group is driver. In this group, take major dia, minor dia, number of teeth, whatever. So how the user should enter, how the interface should appear for the user. So you can customize your user interface. And once you click, it will automatically do all the parts. Okay, I'll just run on this example also. Let me go to D drive training NX parts. I see a lot of files here. I'm going to create a new folder for you guys. Maybe my mouse is not working properly. Where is new folder? So what is the name of this folder? This is 26 September. So I'll keep 26 September. So this folder is empty, right? But now this program going to put all this file IGS export in this folder. So let me run that. So I'll copy this path. So export I want in that 26 September. And where is your input files? All are in this. What do you want? Step or IGS? Both. DWG is not written. Just for sample, we shown only two. Let's say I want only step file. Apply. Now we can go for a tea. Suppose if there are 1,000 parts, we can go for a tea, coffee, lunch, and when you come back, everything will be ready. So it is opening the file, it's exporting, and it will close it automatically. It will delete the log file automatically. Then it will go to next part, next part, next part, next part, do the same thing. All right, I'll close this. So you know that this folder I created just now. So it created all the step files for all the parts. Okay, it seems there are more parts. Maybe it took inner folders also. You can control whether you want to do only outer folder or you open all the parts inside the folder, that also. So like that you can create all the step files are created. Because I see engine itself, there are 2-3 engines. That means there must be some more engines inside. Okay, engine. So it's taking all that part. Okay. But in the program, you can control how it should do. So this is CAD automation. Okay. And customization. So every day you will be doing something. Now, and this is you can do for any CAD software nowadays. AutoCAD, NX, CATIA, Creo, SolidWorks, Solid Edge. Okay, and PLM customization, that is for Team Center or Windchill for all. All right. Now, why they pay more salary? Because it's doing some work automatically. Let us take one small calculations. Why really they are paying more salary? I'll give you two examples. Let's say, first I'll create new. Let's say I have some 10,000 AutoCAD files. This is created over last 20 years. Now what I want to do, in some file I see dimensions are in dim layer. In some files dimensions are in dimension layer. Somewhere some other layer color, somewhere it is Arial font, somewhere it is Times Roman. different font, different color, different style. There is no consistency. There is no standard they maintain. So when you copy paste some drawing from some file for reuse, if you copy 20 things from 20 different file and paste it in one file, you see 5-6 different color in dimension, layer, then everything manually you have to modify, delete duplicate layers, merge all the layers, make all uniform. Even though you are copy pasting it, you have to spend another 1 day to make it all uniform. This is for one file. So what company decided? Company want to make all 10,000 drawings very uniform. Just change all the text to Arial. Okay. And keep all dimensions in some layer or as per some logic. Just for an example, I'm telling. Text should be changed like this, dimension should be changed like this, all the center line, hidden line, those things should be in particular layer, particular color. So there are etc. etc. Some 10 different changes you want to do in every file. Now, how you want to execute this 10,000 file? Open one file and do this 10 changes. Let us say for one change I take 5 minutes. 10 changes means I need 50 minutes. That is 1 hour I have to spend. So 50 minutes, almost 1 hour you have to spend for one drawing. So 10,000 drawings means there is no other option. 10,000 hours. Anyone have any other alternative for that? So far, no. 10,000 hours. Per day, 8 hours. Assume you work 10 hours per day. So you need 1,000 days. Okay? Consider you work on Saturday, Sunday also. So 1,000 days you need, at least 3 to 4 months. Minimum 3 to 4 months you need this to be done. Or, okay, 3 to 4 months, let it be. How much for 3 to 4 months? 10,000 days, am I right? Wait. 1 hour, yeah, per day 10 drawings you can do, in 1,000 days you can do. This is assume that you are able to do in 5 minutes all the changes. Okay. So 3 to 4 months, I have to pay salary for somebody. And after 4 months, what is the guarantee all 10,000 drawings he did perfect? Can someone give that guarantee? I hired some fresher or some experienced guy, let's say 2 years, 3 years experienced AutoCAD draftsman, hired, asked to do all these changes. He took 4 months and he completed all. He's telling he completed. What is the guarantee that he completed? What is the guarantee he did everything correct? Now, how will I verify? Then what I can do, one thing, I can hire one more supervisor. At least I can ask him to randomly check. Okay, out of 10,000 files, at least check some 1,000 files or 100 files. Okay, then I have to pay for him, pay salary for him also, and pay recruitment fees, office rent, license for the guys, everything. Okay, now let's say I spend that also. Okay, so almost I ensured it is all correct. But my mind is changing now. Actually, I should have not kept Arial. I should have kept some other, because the width factor may be slightly more or less. Somewhere the text is going beyond the border. It should be narrow. The width factor has to be adjusted, because for some drawings it's perfect, but some drawings it is not perfect. Or the color we kept yellow for the particular dimensions. That should not be yellow, because in white color paper it's not printing good, color print. So all the yellow I want to change back to blue. What will you do now? There is no other option. You have to open once again all 10,000 drawings one by one. Assign somebody, maybe instead of 4 months, 2 months now. So you keep going like this. So pay for 2 people's salary for almost 6 months, 1 year. And whenever new changes comes, again you repeat. And instead of 10,000 drawings, if it is another 10,000 drawings, another 6 months. So you will be spending lakhs of rupees. You have to wait for 4 months, 6 months to be completed. But if the same work comes to me, okay, if the same work comes to me, what I do, I need only 2 days time. Only 2 days. Suppose if you tell the requirement Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I can work on this programming. I need 1 day enough, but let us assume 2 days, okay? In 1 day also you can write this program. But if let it be little complex, you take 2 days time, you write. Monday, the program will be ready. Or Sunday night, if it is ready, I can run this 10,000 drawings Sunday night. If my computer is really fast, it can do much faster. It can finish it in 1 hour also. Okay? In worst case, slow computer or poor programming methodology, still Monday morning all the drawings will be ready. Worst case. So instead of 4 months, not required. 2 days is enough. What about quality? 100% quality, not 99%, not 99.9%. 100% quality. Okay. Suppose later Monday, after taking all conversion printout, you see, no, it should not be yellow color, it should be blue color. No problem. I need only 5 minutes time to change in the program. Run again in another 1 hour or in 1 night. Tuesday morning, new drawings are ready. And not only 10,000 drawings. You made it ready for one client. Now, if another client is giving another 10,000 drawings, no problem. Next day, you can deliver to the client. You can charge for, let's say, per drawing 1,000 rupees you charge. Okay? $10. Hardly 700, 800 comes per drawing, $10. If you charge 10,000 into 1,000, think how much you can bill for doing nothing. Just run the program. No manpower required. Nothing required. So even if you charge $1 per drawing, you get $10,000. In 1 night or in 1 hour, $10,000 it is earning. In worst case, I'm telling, but companies will charge not $1, they'll charge $5, $10. Minimum. If it is taking 1 day work, they'll charge more than that. Per hour, per resource, $10 they charge. So just think how much value you are adding to your company just by automating a simple thing. Okay, I did 2 days. I'm asking them to pay 2 lakh rupees as a fees for my 2 days work. They have 2 options. Either they can pay 2 lakhs for me, take this tool and start earning every day $10,000, or they can hire somebody and they can spend 6 months, no guarantee for quality, no guarantee for changes. So do you think they will be happy to pay 2 lakhs for me? They will be delighted to pay 2 lakh rupees. Because here they are spending much more money, too much time, they can't deliver. If they have 100 clients, how many people they hire? 100 people you hire for 6 months and pay 100 people salary, office space, rent, recruitment charge, HR, payroll, accounts, all this nonsense not required. All they need is one programmer, either full-time or part-time or freelancer. They can pay 2 lakhs, no, 5 lakhs you ask also, they are ready to pay at present. Unless until my competitor comes and quotes for 1 lakh, I can quote 2 lakhs also, 5 lakhs also. That is why they pay several times more salary. But what is the proof? So last month, I think we made a one Facebook post. Naganathan, he asked 30% hike. He has 10 years design experience. Okay, somewhat new to program. I can share because talking in the air is not good. Um, So he originally joined for CATIA CAA, but after, okay, I think I have to log into another page. So I'll say Naganathan. So I'm going to show, these are all real stories, okay? Writing stories in Facebook, anybody can write, but I'm just telling what happened to him. Give me 1 minute, it's taking time to load all the, okay. You can see he originally inquired like you guys in, I think 12th April, this is. April he inquired. 70,000 fees or 50,000 fees if you already know programming, etc. So he made a payment also. This is sent balance amount he paid. 2 payment he did. Okay, first payment he did in May 6th. So he paid 1,000 rupees first, then 24,000 one payment. April 14th he paid. 14th April he paid first payment. So obviously he started his training 1st May somewhere. No, 15th April. I'm sorry, I don't remember exactly. So somewhere in April he started. May he did his second payment also. So balance all 50,000 he paid. And later he also joined for NX customization. Okay. If he was not happy with CATIA, he would have not joined for NX. So for some reason he joined for NX also. He paid another 20, then afterwards 15. Okay. Because he's doing second course, we gave some discount. So almost 85,000 he paid. And you see the result. We also shared some industry project to do. See, these are all almost 38 industry project required. Some of them he can choose and do. All the green ones are with high priority. Yellow ones are with little less priority. Okay. So in April, May, he joined for course, and August. See, he got 16 lakh CTC job. What is this? He gave some feedback also. It's showing. He told 5-star rating I given you or something like that. And let me show. Should be a little above. Sorry. So I'm just asking him to share some offer letter, but for some reason he denied. But in photo, I want to use it in our success stories. Okay, somewhere it is there. So what happened is actually he asked 30% hike, but company paid 50% hike. He introduced even after CAA his friend Arun. And you see this chart is yesterday chart. Showing today, I don't know. Yeah, maybe today morning only, I think. So he got in Sacha Engineering with 50% hike. So received offer letter or waiting for, he told he will get it Monday. Means tomorrow. Tomorrow he will get this Monday. and that's all. And he was getting 6 lakhs before in design. Now he got 9. So both guys got it now. This all real story what happened in last 10 days before and today, etc. And if you see another guy, Arshad, same thing. So he joined and he delivered his project in his company. In his company only he is using. See, he created new plugin which can create multiple sheets and fill title block. If you have time, please look at the video. And in his company, he says that in a real-time working project, I cleared all user expectation. That is what he means. Okay, and it is confidential actually. So he put that also. So this video tells what is his project is. Okay, so I should not put it in public, but all right. So this is his previous project. So even before at the end in his company, some 20 people are using. He mentioned somewhere. Okay, leave it. Let's not go deep. So these are all success stories of this week, last week, and like that there are many, and people are not there in the market. Another reason why so much demand is who can do this work? You just think and tell me who can do this CAD customization work. In India, there are so many software engineers, very good programmers, but unfortunately, they don't know CAD in depth. They don't learn NX, CATIA, what is first angle, third angle, what is PMI, tolerance, dimensions, sketch, constraint. They don't learn. Why? Because they already have 100 courses to do. Data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python programming, cloud computing, mobile app development, Android, iOS. Okay, so many. I only can name some 10, 20 courses. That means they will have more options than this. They don't know where to go after college. Go for cloud computing, somebody will say data science, someone will say AI, someone will say machine learning. They are leaving everything. Will they come and learn CATIA and NX in detail? Nobody is suggesting them. Even mechanical guys are not having idea what is CAD automation customization. Then how will they know? How will they learn this? Leaving all those options. So they are not learning. First, they are not knowing. Second, they are not learning. The next option is mechanical engineers. All mechanical engineers, they do CAD, CAM, CAE, but not programming. Some people, they do programming, but they'll go into that field only, not CAD customization. They go to Java programming, app development, or data science, something like that. So if you want to do CAD customization, you should know CAD tool first. Second, you should know the programming language like C++ or C#, etc. Third is CAD API, programming interface. So what is that API is? See, in my program, I'm saying just add to delete. Delete. If I say delete, it will delete. How it is deleting? That programs are already written. How it is really removing the fillet? Actually speaking, I don't know. That programs are already written by the Siemens developers. They have kept one name. You call this delete and do this, then it will delete. How it happens, you don't know. You don't worry. It will delete. That's all. So that is API. That means already programs are written. You say extrude, it will extrude. You call delete, it will delete. You change color to something, it will change the color. All programs are already written. What are you going to do? In this condition, you delete. In this condition, you change the layer. Under these conditions, you change the color. That is all you are going to put some conditions. So this CAD customization is easier. It's easy to program. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yes, please.
Actually, one of my friend is disconnected due to some power issue, and he is trying
Okay,
to.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
no problem. Please ask him to join.
yeah. He is means trying to just allow him. Yeah, Rajesh. Yep. Thank
I
you, sir.
think he joined.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
second time it is accepting automatically, and this thing will not happen during the class because we will be giving you access using your Gmail ID. We use Google Meet, Team, and also Zoom. But now actually we are moving to Team, so you have much more flexibility there, and it will be easy to share content and other stuff. So come to point. Very important point is CAD tool. Yes, I can find so many people. Already a lot of people are there. So all mechanical engineers are doing this. This programming language, computer science guys knows only this. They don't know this, they don't know this. Mechanical guys knows only this. They don't know these two. But the one who knows all three are not there in the market. Only few people. And I'm sure most of them are my student. So where my students are working, almost all top company, Tata Technologies, Accenture, L&T, ITC Infotech, Autodesk, Faurecia, okay, and so many. You name even ISRO and many, okay, many. They are work. My students are working, and some of them are already in a position to take interview. They take interview now. So this, who knows all three? Only few people knows all three. But who need this? Every CAD company need this. That's not it. And any CAD company can say that no, we don't want automation. We have really very good experienced design engineers. Okay, they are more than enough for us. They are very loyal. If they tell, they will not be there in the picture after few years. I'll compare that situation with, see, 20 years before, around 99, 2000, when we completed engineering. Between 95 to 2000, I would say, 1995 to 2000. Before 95 and all, everybody was using manual drafting, using drawing board and mini drafting, etc. There were a lot of expert draftsmen with international work experience, Gulf experience, etc., etc. Okay, so a lot of draftsmen was there. But when AutoCAD came, people like me who graduated that time, if you know little bit of AutoCAD, just you can draw some line, circle, rectangle, put some dimensions and take printout. You know AutoCAD. You go to industry, you are treated like you came from a moon, something like. Why? Why? Because that experienced draftsman with a drawing board and mini drafter, to set the drawing board they need half an hour. To draw a rectangle they need another 15 minutes. But if I go to company, I can do all in 1 minute, 2 minutes, and I can take 100 printout. We can send email. So compare that with what we did in 2000. So you are 100 times faster, 100 times more productive. Then why will not they pay salary? They'll pay salary. As good as that experienced people are more than them, more than that. So that time, if any company told that, we don't want AutoCAD, yeah, why should we use AutoCAD? We have experienced draftsmen, they all expert, they make accurate drawings. Now anyone is there in that industry like that? No. Same thing will happen if you don't learn this, what is coming latest in the market. That company will not be there. Just imagine that previous example, 10,000 drawings if you have to do, or in one part let it be. I want to check, is there any fillet less than this radius or more than this? This assembly is all fine. So many things you can do. If you can do, you will be 100 times productive, and they don't mind paying 2 to 3 times more salary. They are ready to pay. All right. Okay, come to what next? So I hope you understood why they pay more salary and why should you do. And lot of practical success story happening today, last week, last month. Okay. Then which language and which API to learn? Suppose if you know NX, then you have to learn NX Open, and C# or VB.NET, preferably C#.NET. VB.NET, C#.NET, all are same. So 95% same. If you know one, another one you can do yourself. And this is same C#. Wait, I'll put it other way. If you do C#.NET, we will cover VB.NET also. Okay, that we can do it in 2 days. C#.NET we teach you 2 months. Every concept we have to teach you. If daily classes 1 month, then this we can teach it in 1 day or 2 days. The difference between that and this. Okay. So you can use this almost for any CAD tool, starting from AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, NX, CATIA, Creo. Okay, this also you need to understand. Anything, SolidWorks, any CAD tools you can use. But in case of CATIA or Creo, even though you can do customization with C#.NET, there are some limitations. You can do 30%, 40%, less than 50%, not more than that. Because they have exclusively licensed development environment, rapid application development environment in case of CATIA. In case of Creo, it's a toolkit. Here it is CAA. And these two, with these two, you can do much more automation and customization. But if you want to use this, you need to know C++. C++ only, not any other options. But if it is not CATIA or not Creo, you can go for C#.NET. You can do everything. There is no additional license cost. If it is CATIA, Creo with this, they have to pay a lot of money for the license. Apart from the CATIA license, apart from the Creo license, they need another license for this development. But in other case, it's all free. NX also, there is one small license, but that somehow you can do without that also, or just you have to sign it using that license. So you can use that. And moreover, this programming will be relatively easier than C++ program. Since lot of money they are paying for license, they preferably look for experienced guy, at least someone who has 2-3 years of programming experience, or preferably 5-6 years of programming experience. Whether in CATIA customization or not, that is separate. Some programming experience, 4-5 years, then learn CATIA CAA, and they will prefer to take it. But here it's a free, so they are not spending much money. They can give opportunity for freshers or moving design to automation. So my point is, suppose you already have 5 years, 10 years experience in CATIA, better you go for CATIA CAA. Same, if you have 5 years, 10 years experience in Creo, not any other tool, then go for Creo toolkit. Learn here for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. Practice it for another 6 months. Gain 1 year of experience. No need certificate. You gain real experience. You gain for 6 months, 1 year. Do some of the automation customization for your day-to-day work in your current company. Then if you go to job, you will get far better job. But that doesn't mean you really have to wait for 1 year. There are some people they get immediately. Depends how much you practice, how much you speak well in the interview. Okay. Suppose you are having just 2-3 years of experience, not 5 years, 10 years. then doesn't matter. You can learn anything. Preferably, you can learn NX because there are more vacancies. AutoCAD also having more vacancies. SolidWorks, yes, somewhat. Inventor, yes. There is. See, right now I have vacancy for all this. AutoCAD, ITC, Infotech is recruiting. If you know any of your friends who can join in 1 month or 2 months notice period, they no need to pay even 1 rupee for us for training or recruitment charge, nothing. We can arrange this interview tomorrow. ASM Technologies recruiting for, I'm telling company name also, you can go and apply directly. ASM Technologies recruiting for NX customization. I can show. See, I'm not talking without proof. I'll go to Priyadarshini from ASM. You see, they are sending the vacancy. Please send candidates. See the job description, UGNX. They also want for CATIA. So for both. So like that, they are asking us to give people. So ASM Technologies, this is in ITC. This all vacancy as on today. CATIA also in ASM. There is one company, but they joined here now. Milacron, there is company, they signed up for corporate training. We are starting the training for 7 people from this Tuesday, coming Tuesday. And SolidWorks, there is company, I don't remember. Kaushalya knows, you guys can ask. There is one startup company they wanted for SolidWorks. And for Inventor, Murugappa Group, they wanted. That is to be specific because they are very big group. cumi.murugappagroup.com you can. So this is one of the branch or department or division of Murugappa groups. So they want inventor customization and also AutoCAD customization. Then there are many. These are all vacancies available right now. Okay, we can refer. But apart from that, we have exclusive page for CAD customization. Okay, just now we started. So CAD customization jobs. CAD customization and automation jobs. Okay. So this is some company, they did not approach us, but we have dedicated recruitment team. They will analyze wherever there are vacancies. So we will post it. So this may be a Naukri link or Monster or team LinkedIn link. So where you have vacancies. So we will post it. But one questions may come. See, this company is asking 3 to 8 years experience. So at least they are expecting 2-3 years of experience. That is the meaning of this. So don't be afraid of that. Yes, every company want experienced people only. Just imagine you are starting one restaurant. Whom will you recruit? Some cook, who has some experience in cooking. Somebody who don't know anything, you can't hire, right? So ideally, they look for experienced people who can do without mistakes. But if someone tells he is a new guy, just for last 10 days, he learned how to cook biryani. If someone tells and if there is option, they will consider. You can consider. They'll give up. Okay, let's cook and see for a week. So if you have the skill, don't worry about the experience. If you really don't know cooking, nobody can help you. I don't have 10 years experience in cooking. But if next to 1 month, If I learn how to make biryani, if I can master it, I no need to worry about experience. I will get opportunity. Okay. Someone will tell, I tried this, try with this guy. Someone can refer. We can refer. Or you yourself can convince them. And luckily, most of you guys are having already 2 years, 3 years, 5 years design experience. So you can best use of that. Let us say, for example, you have 3 years of experience. Let's say 3 years experience in SolidWorks. You join this course. You are doing this course for 4 months, let's say. And another 2 months, you are doing some project work. Okay, some 6 months you are trying, practicing. Now you have 6 months experience. Not on the paper, but really you are spending for last 6 months. If you really spend some time on practicing it, let's say 2-3 hours, okay, then you have some 6 months plus maybe 3 months experience you have. And on certificate, you have 3 years experience in design. Okay. If you can spend 6 months or 1 year, anything in between, you can tell in the next interview, I joined 3 years before in this company as a design engineer, but out of my own interest, I learned this CAD customization for last 2 years. I learned myself for the 1 year, but to make it more perfect, I joined this institute. So I clarified all my doubts also. Now I'm able to do some project, and these are all some 5-6 projects I did. These are all some 10-20 assignments I did. These are all small mini projects that I'm using in my day-to-day work. Then you will be considered like 3 years customization experienced guy, somewhat like. Whether they consider customization experience or design plus customization experience, one thing is guarantee, you definitely get 50% to 100% more salary. Suppose you are totally fresher, then you don't have any option. You can tell, I found this field very interesting. So for last 6 months, I am doing this course. I have done this project, you take me. And the advantage for fresher is many companies are asking somebody who can join immediately. Even including all these company I shared. Okay, deleted, okay. Yeah. Somebody who can join immediately. Why? Because this and all you need to understand. Then only you know the importance of this. I told my student ask 30% hike, but the company is paying 50% because he's having 3 months notice period. And if I give offer letter today, he's already getting 10. If I give 13 lakhs CTC offer, at least some company will contact him for next 3 months. Let's say at least 10 companies will contact him minimum. He may clear 2-3 interviews at least. And if the company he tells, I already have offer for 13, they don't mind paying 14 or 15. This 1 lakh, 2 lakh and all nothing. This 15 lakh CTC is like office peon salary in US, UK. No, the clients are actually from there. So this 15 lakh, 20 lakh CTC and all, any office peon also gets there. So they don't mind. This company already know this is what going to happen. Okay. So they told, see, money is not a problem. You are asking 13 lakhs, I am paying you 15 lakhs. Because I am giving commitment for my client, you will be joining after 3 months. So please join, don't go. If you want more money also, I can pay. That is the underlying message in that. And if they not pay, definitely he will go somewhere. Even this Arun, he already have offer for, he is getting offer letter tomorrow. But what will happen in next month, you see, already he is attending other interviews. After clearing this, he is attending other interviews. Okay, in the last 1 week itself, he attended some 5-6 interviews, including GE. Okay. So this is what will happen. And it happened also for my other student. 2 people I'll tell last month what happened. One guy working in L&T Infotech on Creo Toolkit. He has some 5-6 years experience, getting 7 lakhs CTC, 7.5. So he got offer from Tata Technologies for 11 lakhs. He is in notice period. He was in notice period, and another company offered him 14 lakhs CTC. So third month, he is informing Tata Technology that I am not joining. They are asking why. We are waiting for you. He's telling like that, I got a better offer. I'm getting 14 lakhs CTC. And at least if it is small difference, I will come to you, but it's a huge difference, so I'm going there. Then there was no other option. They paid 14.5 and they took him third month. And here another one important message is Tata Technology took him for CATIA CAA customization. He never worked on CATIA CAA. All his experience was some first 1 year in AutoCAD, afterwards 5-6 years in Creo. But C++ he used for 5-6 years. So CATIA CAA also needed C++. Creo Toolkit also needed C++. So the concept and things will be similar to CAD program to CAD program. And unfortunately, this Tata Technology not finding other people, or they don't have time to wait for another 3 months to somebody. Okay, if third month he is telling, no, I'm not joining. And he is telling real reason. He is sharing the offer letter, what he received, second offer letter. Then if they reject voluntarily, they will take time to find somebody. Even if they find somebody, another 3 months they have to wait. No guarantee within 3 months that guy will join. So they don't have option than recruiting this guy who don't have experience in CAA. That is the demand. That is the situation. If you tell if you can convince in the interview at least 50%, any salary you ask, they are ready to pay. Okay. Now, where were we? Okay, so I hope you understood why more salary, why huge demand, etc., etc., and the language combinations, what to learn. Okay, and as of now, we are giving corporate training for 3 companies. One is Broadcom, we are about to complete. Milacron, I'm sorry, some spelling mistake maybe. We are starting this Tuesday. Valio, almost finalized. I'm just waiting for the purchase order. So this will start maybe first week of October. And in case anyone going for C#.net and NX or AutoCAD, anything other than these two, I can put you along with this batch. Okay. Or in case if someone want going for Creo, I can try to put in this batch. I have to check it, but I can try. If not, we will have separate batch for you, most likely from first week of October. Okay. And total fees for this course is 50,000. You can pay in 2 installments. Last month we started alternate days batch that will go for 4 months. But this month we are starting daily classes. So it will be over in 2 months. So you can pay in 2 installments. Okay, so 25 you can pay if you trust us. Or if you are afraid of paying 25,000 in one go, you can start with 10,000, book it. Then after 10 days, 15 days of training, you can pay the balance 15. Then next month when we start CAD API, you can do. In case if any of you already know programming language very well, we can give you 10,000 discount. Or if you are joining as a group, 2 people, 3 people, if it is 2 people, 10% discount. If it is 3 people, then say 15% each. And if there are more than 3, then we can go, but not more than 20-25%, even if you are a group of 10 people. Okay. And what else? Hmm. So syllabus and all, if you want, you can download from our website, feeswork.com. I'll tell you how you get the syllabus. So go to feeswork.com, which course you actually want to do. Suppose if it is CATIA, go to CATIA, and all will look same. You can download syllabus, and I think you already also see this is syllabus already available here. And suppose maybe some changes record in the site. Suppose if you go for NX, you can download the NX syllabus. Okay, this is some short syllabus, but in-depth syllabus you can download. And if you want to attend the first day class, how the training will be, you can watch this. This is the real first day class. The one who's in this batch, he already delivered first project, Arshad, for his company. These are all some sample projects. Still, a lot of things we are going to upload. It will take some time. Any other questions you have, guys? If you have any questions, you have doubt, you please ask me. I think as much as I asked, because almost all students are asking the same questions. What is CAD customization? Is there a good scope? Will you provide job guarantee? Job guarantee we can't give, guys. This is not a bribe. If you give 50,000 bribe and I'm putting you in government job, so you get every month 50,000, no. This is an opportunity. You are getting ticket to attend the class. You get a job only if you practice. If you are sincere, if you are dedicated, if you are hardworking, okay, then only you will get a job. But will we help? Yes, we will help. I'm telling company name, I'm telling you go for already. If there are people you go and apply, get selected, I have no problem. Or send the resume for ITC Infotech, I can arrange interview tomorrow. Okay. So, and apart from this, for ITC Infotech, there are so many other C#.NET vacancies. That is for normal software developer, not mechanical guys. Anybody who knows C#.NET with some other concept called web and other thing and all, so many vacancies. Okay, yeah, now it is your questions. If you have any other questions I not covered, you can ask now.
Hello, sir. This is Ritesh.
Yeah, Ritesh.
Yes, I have question regarding you already tell about just uh, I need to learn C# or .NET. But if I have knowledge about Python, then I go through it.
Yeah, you can learn yourself the C#.NET. If you really know Python and that all object-oriented programming concepts, C#.NET you can learn yourself.
Okay.
Yes.
And you might be help on Python, or exactly you only working on C#, .NET.
Right now only .NET, C#.NET and VB.NET.
Okay.
We can help you, not in Python, but trust me, if you learned in C#.NET, you can apply for Python. The concepts all will be same.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
I know the concept is same, but some syntax and some other thing are different.
that is you
but
already know,
concept.
right?
Yeah.
That you already know.
And other thing I ask, and how much time I need to just I deliver the project, and I
At
am
least
just
2 months.
at least 2 months.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. If you go for daily classes, at least 2 months. If you go for alternate days class, then 4 months. But right now we are starting only daily class batch.
Oh,
And
because you just now in this demo you show everything, that all thing I need in my company. So I
okay.
want to go through this because I
Okay.
need every time so many drawings, and I need to just remove some dimensions, some notes.
Yes. Yes.
So
See, I'll tell
so
you, if you have 100 drawings, I want to check, is there any dimension overlapping?
and
How will you check?
already I also got just to export means IGA means from NX to STF file, from NX to other file like SolidWorks and other thing. So these things are going on daily basis.
Oh, okay. Then you no need to work 8 hours. You can work 5 minutes and take rest.
Yes.
If you
Okay,
yourself
so
keep, yeah. Suppose if company doesn't know you are using this tool,
yes,
if you are working from home, you can just
but
finish all your work in 5 minutes.
yes. Now I am working from home, and but for these customization and for any coding, I need to a special permission for my company on the license software because
See,
they
in case of NX, you need authoring license, but sometimes the company will be already having it.
okay.
Okay, something called .NET authoring license is required. If
Yeah.
not there,
Yes.
still half of the program you can run, but the
Mhm.
user interface related program you will find difficult.
Okay. If I show this type of thing to my company, they also purchase
They
it
don't
because
mind buying this license. They
yes,
will buy this easily because it's adding that much value.
yes.
Yes, and they probably will ask other people also to learn, and you will be the leader, right?
Okay, yes, I also try to
Yes. The
because
one who goes first, he will become team leader.
yes.
Other people will become followers. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for your demo.
Yeah, you are welcome. Thank you for your feedback and sharing also.
Okay.
Yeah, hello sir. This is Navin now from Bangalore.
Yes, Navin, please tell me.
Sorry sir, I joined a bit late, around 10:20. I
Okay.
just want to ask you one question regarding how much skill set is required in a CAD. See, I have worked in a CATIA for almost 6+ years,
Okay.
but I have worked in only in a part modeling and 2D drafting, not
Okay.
much on surface. Surface we use it just for a combination, small hybrid designs. That's it.
Okay. No,
We,
that is enough.
uh,
See,
hmm.
something what you don't know in the design side.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, I know only part assembly, drawing, sheet metal, I don't know,
Okay.
or CAM, I don't know, or some module, I don't know.
Okay.
That and all you can learn anytime, and company there will be people they will teach you.
Okay.
Suppose your company is experienced company, there may be some manager, team leader, they are expert in that.
Okay.
Okay, they can teach you in 1 day, 2 day, but this programming they can't.
Okay.
Okay, for
Okay.
programming you have to spend a lot of time. You can't learn in 1 week. After
Mhm.
2 months of training, also there will be so many things that you have to learn yourself.
Okay.
But we teach you something that is required to learn that everything by yourself.
Okay.
If you read some sample program,
Hmm.
right now it will look like all Chinese letters. You don't know anything.
Yes, sir.
Correct. And
Yeah.
once you do this course, then this is what it's already there program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I need to modify. See, the fillet blend, if you modify to whole, it's working for whole.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So in case if you find a sample program how to delete holes,
Mm.
then you are need actually how to delete fillet.
Correct, sir.
If you are illiterate, you are illiterate only. You have to ask somebody, you have to wait for quotation, and people like me will give you 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs for the same program. And you don't know anything, you will pay. Happily, you will pay 2 lakhs. But if you know,
Mm.
then you already have solution in your hand,
Yes, sir.
in the website, in the help document.
Mm.
Okay, just one place you have to change. That is the work.
Mm-hmm.
Copy the program, change it, build and sell it. That's all.
Yeah. Just I just asked it because like BAW domain, sir. There is no surface modeling there.
Okay,
That's why I
okay,
asked.
okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Surface modeling and all not necessary, but later if at all you want to use it, you can use it. That and all people there in the market, within the company or outside the company, there are enough people. They can teach you that.
Okay, sir.
Just for 5,000, 10,000 also they are ready to teach. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah. So this is Dinesh here. Actually, I'm in my current company. I'm working on Creo toolkit,
Okay.
but they use C language for that.
Yeah,
Will
that is here
same
also
be
teach.
utilized? Okay,
Yes,
you
yes.
mentioned like
See,
C++.
no. They will use C++ only, I think. See, Creo can be customized using multiple language. And if
Okay.
they are using toolkit is the most powerful automation environment for Creo. If any other things, if you can customize 30%, 40%, Creo Toolkit, you can customize 80%, 90%. So this is much more powerful. And you need C++ only. C++, it's a somewhat, you can say, same. Sometimes C++ only they call C, sometimes C they call C++. So maybe you are not having idea. Otherwise, they may not be using toolkit. If they
No,
are
no, we have object toolkit license and like to unlock
okay,
and
then
but
yeah. So this Creo tool, this is most powerful one. For this, you need C++.
uh-huh.
But anyways, the structure will be same like C only. Some object-oriented concepts will come on that. Then it
Yeah, like
becomes C++. That's
yeah,
it.
it's a kind of legacy code, so I don't know like from when they are using the same code. But like they are not using the concepts of classes and all. So
Yeah. So
they are
here you
declaring everything in C structure thing, kind of thing.
okay. So maybe at basic level they are doing something kind of script kind of thing. But this is a full-fledged applications you can create.
Okay, so same can be utilized in my because
In
it's a
your
legacy
company,
code.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So people like you who are already working in Creo or Katia, where you have opportunity to use within your company, preferably you go for that, so that
Yeah.
you can use and you can get. And others, suppose if somebody have 2-3 years experience, I know Creo also, NX also, AutoCAD also, then you go for NX or AutoCAD. Inventor also there are vacancies, but a number of vacancies may be less. At the same time, competition also nothing, nobody's there. Very few people. So anything you can do per
Okay.
person. But one thing if you know very well, then another one you can learn yourself.
So recently only I joined this current project,
Okay.
and I was doing something on the AutoCAD, but I never worked on the Creo toolkit.
Okay.
So now what has happened is I see like they are using C, and that's why I asked you.
Okay. See here, I'll tell one more story. See, this guy actually inquired for Creo, but later he joined for SolidWorks.
Okay.
But unfortunately, he dropped in the middle after this language of, okay, there's some reason, his personal reason, and he got a job into design, better job in the design. So he gone to design. In the middle of the course, he dropped. Now in his company for customization, they are looking for people. So he told that I know something, and they gave the opportunity now. But you see here now, what is his situation? Hello, sir. The project not yet started. Once started, I need your help. He wanted what he wanted is he's telling that I will pay the somebody, let them get it done, and I'll show in my company. Okay. For first 3 months, 6 months, we will work like that. Then later on, I will do. You understood what is happening? So
Um,
his company, he told I did the course, but actually he dropped.
okay.
But he got the opportunity. He got a job. Now, if
Okay.
project is going to start, obviously he won't be able to do. So he's
Uh-huh.
telling that you please assign somebody, let them do project. I'll pay my salary to him
Uh-huh.
for first 3 months. Then I'll learn. Then I'll continue after 3 months.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Somebody who's telling, I know they got getting opportunity. That is the meaning.
Okay. Okay.
Any other questions, guys?
Sir, one more question from my side, sir. So the course timing will be like I'm currently working with a company, so
So
timings will
it
be.
will be early morning. See, if some courses I myself will teach, and some course I have other people. And if working people means they will finish your training before 10 o'clock, 10 is maximum. Okay, so sometimes 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. preferably, or if it is along with some corporate training. Okay, then it may be 8 to 9 or 9 to 10. Let's say 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. max. Or it will be in the evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. like that.
Okay.
Okay, for all working people, you can go for either 7 to 8 in the morning or 8 to 9 in the morning daily, or evening 8 to 9 or 9 to 10, something like that. This is general timing for us. Mostly it will be any one of this. In rare case, it may be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. That is only for corporate training. Sorry, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay, sir.
So 7 to 8 or 8 to 9 in the morning, or 8 to 9 or 9 to 10 in the evening. Okay, mostly it will be the timing. In some cases, it will be for corporate training. So along with the corporate people, you can learn.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
This is Rajan from Madurai.
Yeah, please.
Sorry, sir. I have questions another apart from these topics. I just hear that PLM courses are just a great opening in the market. From your student Naganathan, brother.
Oh, you are a friend of Naganathan?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, then for
Yeah.
all other students here, I'm not telling some fake name. I'm telling Naganathan. Okay, so I already have proof here. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I heard an idea from him that
Yes,
he
we
tell.
teach.
Yeah, sir.
We give PLM customization also, Team Center as well as Windchill.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, Team Center actually started. That is in the evening. Something around the 15th it started, and Windchill we can start anytime. But there is
Okay,
one
sir.
problem with this PLM customization is we can't install the software in your system
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
for your practice. So either you
Oh,
should
okay,
have
sir.
the access, or we can give you access to our system only for limited time, 1 hour, 2 hour, like that.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I can understand.
Yeah, that is the only drawback in the PLM learning, PLM
Oh, okay, sir.
customization learning. Yes.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
Hi, sir. This is Prashant.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
you are welcome.
Sir, what's the language prefer for PLM customization? It is also C, C++ only, or
No,
any?
you mainly learn Java, JavaScript.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
sir. Yeah, okay, got it.
we will teach you that also.
Okay, got
Then
it.
we will take you to PLM customization. Yes.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, there are opportunities, and almost there is no other place where you can learn. So unless company hires and trains, but we can give you access for limited time. In that time, if you can practice and show, you can. Yes. Okay. Any other questions, guys?
Sir, Rajesh here.
Yes, Rajesh, please tell me.
Sir, I have the 10 years, 10 plus actually 11 years experience in the UGNX. Now I am trying to do this CAD customization course. I just interested in this field. So,
Okay.
what will be the scope after like a complete 10 years in the design engineer now switching to the customization?
Right. Right. Okay. Yeah, that
And
is a good. Yeah, please tell
yeah.
me.
And this is the one question. And second one, so we need to start from like a C, C++. I should have some knowledge about that, or directly if I'm joining to your course, you will take care of the C sharp and all that.
Fine. So if you join our course, we will take care of all the language. So you no need to learn anything anywhere else.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is first. And if you,
Mm-hmm.
since you have 10 years experience, okay,
Sandeep चा हे चालू आहे.
Sandeep, okay, I'll mute, no problem. You can unmute and speak in case if anything. So maybe suppose I have 10 years experience, can I change to customization? Naganathan is an example. he had 11 years experience and he changed now 50% hike. Okay, that is possible first. And another situation is, it is not necessary always you have to be a programmer. You have to sit and write a program.
Okay.
If you have broad knowledge on this,
Mhm.
you already have CAD tool knowledge as
Yes,
well
sir.
as your company product knowledge.
Yeah.
Correct? Product configuration and importance of each and every piece, small technical details also. You will be having knowledge. So only thing is this automation, you don't know anything.
Yeah.
For one small thing, you don't know whether it will take 1 hour job or it is 1 year job, you don't know.
Yes, sir.
Once you complete this course, you will get that knowledge.
Okay.
So first thing is, you will get idea what to be automated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
For example, already one guy in this group, he asked, sir, whatever example you shown, this all record for my company also.
Yeah.
So he's getting that idea. Okay, this can be done, that can be done. Something like that, you will get this idea, much more idea also. Okay,
Okay.
that idea is more valuable.
Mm-hmm.
Second is, you can do some estimation. Okay, earlier you don't know how to estimate, but now you know which will take how much time approximately. Okay,
Okay,
to
sir.
delete the fillet, whether it is 1 hour job or 1 day job or no, how much, so
Mhm.
that you can manage the developers.
Okay.
You can hire somebody 2-3 years experienced guy or software developer. You can give them knowledge on the product. See, this is the product, this is the parts we are using like this. Okay, I want something like this. Can you do this work, you do this work. Because
Mhm.
they don't there, even if Sundar Pichai comes, he's illiterate for your domain or your product, correct?
Yes.
You have to tell him what you want, then only he can do the programming. So any expert programmer comes, he need your knowledge, then only he can do. Then you can evaluate that automation is how much worth. If manually I do, how much time it will take. Okay, if somebody comes and tells, I have made a program, I spent 3 months, and that can do copy in the circle, you will tell why you did this, it's already there.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, you have already much more sophisticated things for pattern and other stuff. Now only you are writing program to copy feature. So that is, you can reject it. It's a useless.
Mm-hmm.
So what is already there, what is not there, how much worth it is, whether we go for automation or not. And if you go for automation, somebody is giving quotation, you can ask them breakdown. Okay, how much for which feature, how much? You have 10 requirement. This requirement, this much, this. If all 10, if you are not able to estimate, at least 1 or 2 you can estimate.
Yeah.
Hey, for this small thing, why are you quoting this many hours? I myself can do it. Suppose if it's quoting 100 hours, you can tell if I myself can do in 10-20 hours. I already have a program that is with me. That means you will come to know this guy is quoting too much.
Okay.
If you go to buy something product in the market, say some product we don't know what is the real value, but some other product you know the value. Okay.
Yeah.
If Lays packet is telling 25 rupees, then we can estimate, okay, these guys are very costly. Okay.
Yeah.
We can get it outside for 20 rupees or 10 rupees. This guy is selling for. Then you can reject all 100 product buying from them. Or only what is required, what is available unique to him, we can buy. If you don't know anything, then we will buy, instead of one, we will buy all 100 from the same guy because he delivered that. So you
Yeah.
can easily become a manager. Keep
Mm-hmm.
in mind, none of your existing skill, you are going to lose it.
Yeah.
Suppose after 10 years experience in CAD, because of good salary, if you go to data science, data science also you can rate sometimes. Suppose you go for mobile app development,
Mm-hmm.
there you will be treated like an absolute fresher.
Correct.
You don't know anything, you are useless.
Yes.
Okay, but here it is not the case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, out of 3 CAD tool, in fact, the product domain, you already have 70% of knowledge required for the project. Only that 20-30%, if you gain that, then you become complete. You can become manager, managing the CAD department also, the automation department also. So definitely you can utilize, no doubt.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, sir. You already told like a duration. It will take like a 2 months duration if it's in a regular class, right?
Yes, for CATIA CAA it will take 3 months actually.
Oh, okay, okay.
That is
And
80 days.
UGNX, sir?
2 months.
2 months.
Almost all you can do it in 2 months.
Okay.
CATIA CAA will take little more time.
Okay. And what? Just adding in that one, will you give us any like a live project
Yes,
example?
we give. I showed you right during that.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So there are 38 things we have to do.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine, sir. Fine. Thanks.
Yes. And if I can do in one tool, the same may be required for other tool also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So there are so many. Yes. That
Okay.
all 38 is given by a company.
Okay, okay, got it.
And
Yeah.
that company is undergoing training now.
Oh my God. Okay.
After sending that 38, we promised them we can do that. During the training itself, I told them 10 out of that 38 will be covered.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Regarding the software installation, so the same like how we
We
can
will help
install.
you. If it is PLM, it is difficult. Maybe you can say not possible. But for all other CAD customization automation, what is required, how to download, install, we will help you.
Okay, and the licensing part on the Creo as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, please.
Yeah, myself Harish. I have one doubt in automation. See, is currently I'm working in company. See, I need to replace one spring part in 1,000 commercial reference. Means
Okay.
1,000 assemblies.
Mm.
See, if I using automation, I need to
Mm.
assemble one spring to particular component.
You can
Whether
automate that. Yes.
yeah, where in automation we can use the same constraint as we used earlier constraint to assemble
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Yeah, there
No, what we can do is actually, one is you can read the constraints what is already assigned to it. You
yeah.
can read the position, orientation of the product,
Okay.
and just you can also create constraint programmatically.
Okay.
Okay, create a constraint between this spring and with another
Yeah,
part. Whatever.
because in 1,000 assemblies, some assembly uses different constraint, and some assemblies it is different constraint. It's not all 1,000 assemblies don't have same constraints. Some may be
No.
different. How can we customize it? Or 1,000 assembly we can make same constraint. We can do automate how it is.
Yes. See, if it is all same constraint, everything you can automate it in just one go.
Okay.
Creating these constraints, it's just one day program you can write and you can automate it. Suppose if different constraints, we can keep some conditions. If the existing constraints are this, then you replace using these constraints. If it is something else, put that product name in somewhere in the notepad or Excel, give that report separately. Okay. So you run the program. If you have 1,000 parts, let's say 900s are replaced.
Okay.
And remaining 100, what it is, which part where you have different situation, that list also it will give you. Then you can open, and if it is 510, manually you can finish it off, or 500s are done, 500s are another different types of constraints, then you can write another program how to modify, then run it for another 500 tools.
For
Or
creating. Okay. Tell me.
Suppose if constraints is not a matter, at least if the component can come to that position and it can rotate to the particular orientation, that is enough for me. Then without constraint also you can bring exactly to that position and it can change the exact orientation. But instead of old spring, it will be a new spring.
Okay. For creating fresh assemblies, we can use our own constraint, right?
Yes, you can use.
Okay. Thank you.
So which tool you are using?
I'm using Creo tool. I have complete license Creo toolkit and VB API. Everything is there. But I want to learn Creo toolkit.
Yes, you can assemble. that.
But installing Creo Studio, that is license or free of cost? That is.
Creo Toolkit is licensed. It's
Yeah,
costly.
I have complete Creo Toolkit license in my company.
And then that is enough. This development and all, it's free. You can do easily.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also in Creo, we can automate through several languages, right? Like JLink and .vb,
Yes.
VB.NET.
Yes. Out of all, most powerful thing is Toolkit. But I
Toolkit,
think
yes.
you misunderstood my question. See, Creo license is one. Creo parametric license is one.
Yes.
In that, again, you have to buy Creo Toolkit license.
Yes, I know.
We know that,
I
right?
have
Okay, then no
complete.
problem. Then
I have complete license in my company.
then no problem. Then no problem.
We are using Creo 6.0.
Okay,
We have
okay.
complete license.
No problem. Then no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else have any other questions? If no questions, then we can wind up. And
Can you share your contacts, sir?
yeah, sure. You can. Okay, let me type my number so that you can get in touch there. Yep. 6379763347. So you can store it probably fees worth, add customization, something. Or if you want to use name, you can use Perumal. You can call me. And you can WhatsApp me in case further. I'll just take these names, at least I know who are all attended. So we will not disturb you again.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. for your time.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.